Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see your transaction history on TikTok. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. TikTok is a popular social media platform owned by the Chinese company ByteDance that allows users to create, share, and discover short form videos, typically lasting from a few seconds to several minutes. Users can express themselves through dancing, singing, comedy, and more, using a wide range of filters, effects, and music to enhance their clips. For the platform is known for its powerful recommendation algorithm, the For Your Page or FYP, which provide personalized video content based on users' behavior and interests. And also on TikTok, you can shopping on TikTok because TikTok give you features where you can sell or buy something on it. So what if you want to see your transaction history on TikTok? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can just go to your profile by tapping on the bottom right here. Now you can just tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can go to your balance. Here's your balance, and you'll find on the services section there is an option transaction. You can just tap on that. So here's all your transaction history like rewards, revenue, purchase, refund, or payout, deduction, and platform adjustment on your TikTok. You can find in here. You can see all the transaction history in here. It's very simple, right? So that is how to check your transaction history on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.